Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art and the Hollywood Carney channel. So this past weekend I was out going to all of the estate sales and I found this box of beads. They were asking $20 and I ended up paying only $8. I estimate the whole box for a little over $200. So I thought you guys might want to look inside with me and see all of the treasures. So there's 4mm split rings. There's probably about 250 or more. I did not count them, but I can tell just by looking at them. And this is always handy to have. Your charms will never fall off if you use this type of split ring. And then there's the next size up, which is a 5mm. And then we have some basic split rings, jump rings. And then I was looking at my horrible nail polish. Don't look at it. And so there's a ton of ear wires there in a couple of different colors. And then look at these cool round ones. And these will look really cool with all kinds of little dingly dinglies on them, or you can just fill up the majority of the post with small beads. And then what is this? Oh, these are spacers and they have a nice weight to them. And I was really happy about that. And then these spacers are so cute. There's little tiny flowers on them and those would make an excellent little ankle bracelet, or, you know, some type of cool little bracelet. And then these are cat's eyes, and I really like those. They're about 4mm, and they're very shiny, as you can tell, and they will be excellent in some of my metaphysical bracelets. And then there was a lot of eye pins, and these are probably about 3 inches maybe, and there was quite a few there. And some 4mm lucite spacer beads in a multitude of colors, and 4mm cracked crystal. Those are always fun to use. Those will make a really cool little delicate chakra bracelet. And then Austrian crystal. Those are rounds and bicones. And as you know, there's maybe you usually pay about, I don't know, $4 or $5 for a dozen. And look at those. Looks like pomegranates. And there was a variety of reds. Somebody was very happy with the red color. I did have to separate some of them because they were all mixed in. But, you know, I like doing that. And then look at the orange. It looks like tangerine. So pretty. And then there was this beautiful royal blue. Wow, look at that. It's very vibrant. I can't wait to use that. I think I'll make something for my mom. That's one of her favorite colors. So you guys be sure and check out my Etsy. I do have a lot of bead kits for sale on there. And then be sure and stop by some of those tag sales, estate sales, and garage sales. You never know what you might find. I always like to keep my eyes peeled for vintage beads and all kinds of fun things like that. So thank you for stopping by, and I appreciate you watching. Check out my Instagram, my Etsy, and press subscribe. I will be talking to you guys soon. I have more videos coming up. Thank you. Have a happy day. Bye.